Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its interesting calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most well-known computerized cash out there. Many individuals are considering what's on the horizon for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost forecast. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that our cost expectations don't comprise venture counsel. Consistently do your own examination prior to trading any digital forms of money. What is torrential slide? Avax, controlled by the coordinated non-cyclic diagram enhanced agreement component that works with quick exchange speed and versatility. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slide likewise has its own local token called Avax. There are multiple ways for Avax holders to procure rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more Avax tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as holding Avax, you can likewise procure prizes by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Torrential Slide's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association (DAO) to decentralize power and settle on conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of Avax token holders who can decide on recommendations that will influence the organization. Torrential Slide is fairly exceptional in that its center stage really comprises of three unique blockchains: the trade chain, X chain, the stage chain, P chain, and the agreement chain, C chain. Every one of them have unmistakable capabilities and purposes, yet are completely interoperable, which permits the Torrential Slide organization to expand its productivity, speed, and adaptability. Torrential Slide specialized investigation. The Torrential Slide digital currency answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. Avax has additionally shown that it has both mooning potential and fundamental help to ascend back up again in any event when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is major areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of compassing, Avax was inside the best 20 digital forms of money on CoinMarketCap. Generally, these things highlight a long-haul bullish instead of a negative pattern for Torrential Slide. Concerning the transient Avax cost figure, kindly glance at the gadget beneath, refreshed progressively based on different pointers, for example, moving midpoints and the general strength list. It typifies the consequence of Torrential Slide's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies Avax is probably going to ascend from here on out. On the off chance that it sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Torrential Slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Torrential Slide will be $24.30. The greatest level that the Avax cost can reach is $29.09. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $25.01. Likely return for money invested, 52.2% by Avax value figure for February 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Torrential Slide toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $18.80 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $17.19 and at $19.34 separately. Expected return for capital invested, 1.2% by WAC 2023. Torrential Slide value estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Avax cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $18.65, while the greatest could reach $20.09 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Torrential Slide may be around $19.37. Expected return on initial capital investment, 5.1% by Avax value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Torrential Slide in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $19.75 in April 2023. It can drop to $19.04 as a base. The greatest worth may be $21.06. Expected return on initial capital investment, 10.2% by May 2023. Torrential Slide value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Avax cost will be exchanged at $20.54 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $21.85. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $19.83 in May 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 14.3% by Avax value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $21.37. The most minimal and top Avax rates may be $20.65 and $22.88. Possible return for capital invested, 19.7% by July 2023. Torrential slide value gauge crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Avax cost will be around $21.79. In July 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $20.90. The normal pinnacle worth may be $23.95 in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 25.3% by Avax value conjecture for August 2023. Having broke down torrential slide costs, digital money specialists expect that the Avax rate could arrive at a limit of $24.82 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $21.95. For August 2023, the estimated normal of torrential slide is almost $22.66. Possible return for money invested, 29.9% by September 2023. Torrential slide value figure around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $23.57. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Avax cost could vary somewhere in the range of $22.68 and $25.72. Likely return for capital invested, 34.6% by Avax value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $23.15. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $26.90. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $24.04. Possible return on initial capital investment, 40.8% by November 2023. Torrential slide value gauge cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Avax costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $28.10 with a chance of dropping to at least $23.81. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $24.52. Possible return for money invested, 47% by Avax value conjecture for December 2023. In view of the value variances of torrential slide toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $25.01 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $24.30 and at $29.